Selling your home is an exciting endeavor, and with little preparation, we can ensure a successful sale that maximizes your property's value. At Eastok Realty, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you get your home ready for the market and ensure a smooth transaction. Some of these essential steps include things like decluttering to allow potential buyers to see themselves in the space, or making necessary repairs to enhance curb appeal. There is a strategic list which we provide for our clients. But before that, let's go over our simple selling process. The first step is discovery, also known as the first meeting. Here we discuss your needs, plans, go over property value, and our marketing strategy. And then we present you with options. After the decision is made on moving forward, we go on to the next step, which is preparing your home for sale. And this is critical. Depending on the condition of your property and pricing strategy, we will make recommendations on what is necessary to get you the best price for your home. In fact, we have a proprietary list which was perfected for over a decade that is guaranteed to maximize your property value. Once your home is ready, we bring in our media team, who are experts in capturing your home through high-quality video and photography. We invest in the best equipment and people to make sure that your property will be showcased online. Because in today's world, many people search for homes online. So we want to make sure that your home makes an impression and will draw buyers to come and view your home. As you can see, our goal is not just to list your property and see what happens. Instead, we take this seriously, guiding you through every step while providing honest advice and market knowledge. No wonder our listings usually sell at a premium price, and that makes our clients happy. Having a trusted real estate advisor by your side makes all the difference in ensuring a successful home selling journey. Together, we will make your home selling experience a rewarding one.